Good morning. Hello, everybody. There's 5 of you. Where's the other 3? Hi, Blaze. Hi, Lasso. Is that Kiki back there? Yep, there's Kiki. There's Missy. What are you guys doing? Look what I got. I got some treats. But you gotta eat your breakfast first before you get any of these. Yeah. Gotta clean your water today. Gotta do a bunch of weed whacking. Hi, Kiki. Come here, sweetie. Come here. Hello. 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 What are these? Are these your favorite treats? Yes. Alright guys, when we get the grain, you hungry?